This time we stayed at Hidden Cove RV and Camping Resort in Arley, Alabama. It is the north central area of Alabama. We have stayed here 3 times. Check out why. We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our 2 Can-Am motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video.
In 300 feet, arrive at Hidden Cove RV Resort on the right.
Please do not block road. How are you not going to block road?
I guess I'll stay here.
She said there should be a pull-through over there.
Should be.
Yeah.
That's good to know.
Yeah.
Should be.
I think we went off to the right and made a big curve.
Yeah, it's going to make a little curve.
Hidden Cove RV Campground is open year-round and has wonderful views of Smith Lake and have 145 campsites. 21 are full hookups with 30 amps, and the rest are full hookups with 50 amps. You can see that on the campground map. The RV sites are $52 per night, or $45 per night if you stay at least 1 week. If you have a Thousand Trails membership for this zone, then it's free. Check-in is at noon, and check-out is also at noon. Along with a lot of RV sites, they also have rentals. Smith Lake is world famous for its fishing and its deep, clear blue water, which is perfect for water sports. At this Thousand Trails North Alabama RV campground, you can take in the gorgeous lake view while picnicking or sunning on the huge observation deck overlooking the lake. There are plenty of places to fish and explore along Hidden Cove RV Resort's rocky 3/4-mile shoreline, as well as many local attractions in the area around this RV campground. Don't miss Clarkson Covered Bridge, Crooked Creek Civil War Museum, Ave Maria Grotto, waterfall hikes in nearby Bankhead National Forest, the National Bridge, and there's more to see. Amenities include a clubhouse, swimming pool, fishing, a creek, lake, canal, Wi-Fi, RV storage, pets are welcome, mini golf, restrooms and shower facilities, laundry facilities, boat docks, marina, so bring your boat, boat ramp, picnic, barbecue area, playground, basketball, billiards game room, library, and satellite TV. Hidden Cove offers unique activities such as arts and crafts, children's playground, jam sessions, live entertainment, planned activities, tournaments, bingo and card playing, church service, kids activities, mini golf, potlucks, volleyball, and pool table. We're here at Hidden Cove at Arley, Alabama. We're over in Loop C, which has the big sites. They're nice and wide, so we can actually put our truck next to our RV. What we did notice is, because we stayed here a few years ago when this was fairly new out here, and it was very defined where your site was to the next site, because all the grass and trimmings and trees and little bushes and flowers were all very clean. And what we noticed this time is the grass is growing through the stones, and nobody's really taking care of that. You can see all the orange cones. That's our annuals, and there are a ton of them over here. In fact, when we came in on a Tuesday, she said, well, there should be at least one pull through back there. And the reason why she said that was because there's so many annuals here now. But again, you can see how the grass is all grown through, and it kind of deceived us at first. It didn't seem like these sites were that wide, but they are. And again, even back here, there's orange cones and lots of annuals. The pool was not operating. They needed a new liner when we were here a couple years ago. And we're going to go check it out. We didn't take Zippy down. Luckily, we found this spot was close to the bathhouse here for Dave to take his showers. And also they have laundry in there, of which only one washer and one dryer was working. We have only seen one RV come in and go out in a 2-day period in this section. And this is a big section. So I'm not sure what all has changed here, because it is a nice campground. And they've got the observation deck where you can go swimming in the lake, and this lake is very clean, Smith Lake. We are close to the pool over there and the dumpsters, so we have a place to dump our garbage, and we're going to go check out the pool. They do have cable at the post, which is nice. They do have Wi-Fi here. It's free at the clubhouse, but if you want Wi-Fi for your RV, it's $5.95 a day to start. There is a Wi-Fi at the laundry. I wasn't able to pick it up from here, so I used my hotspot, and it is extremely slow. But overall, we like the width and length of these sites. It's very quiet back here, and we definitely come back here again. Absolutely. Wow, this looks nice. Now I just got to find out how cold it is. We rarely see anybody in it. So what'd you think of the pool, Dave?
Oh, it's great.
The water temperature was perfect.
Perfect.
Very clean.
Yeah.
If you'd like to see more details on this campground, including drone footage, click on the link in the description below or at the end of this video. Here are some more amenities of Hidden Cove. We like this campground and all the interesting places to see and places to eat nearby. We'll definitely be back. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.